Today we are discussing the scenario-based interview questions for Azure. These are scenario-based complex interview questions for a senior Azure solution architect. You can download the complete list of scenario-based questions from the link provided in the description. Now moving towards the scenario-based interview question. Our first scenario is: you are tasked with designing a highly secure and compliant data processing platform on Azure for a financial institution. The platform will handle sensitive customer data, and strict regulatory requirements must be adhered to. The data processing involves complex algorithms for risk analysis and fraud detection. Design the application architecture with a focus on security, compliance, and high-performance processing. Being an Azure solution architect, what solution you will select? Our first solution is presentation layer. Develop a secure web portal using Azure App Service for web apps. Implement Azure Front Door for global load balancing, DDoS protection, and web application firewall capabilities. Next solution is application layer. Utilize Azure Kubernetes Service AKS to containerize and deploy microservices responsible for risk analysis and fraud detection algorithms. Leverage Azure API management to expose APIs securely. Our next solution is data processing layer. Implement Azure Databricks for advanced analytics and machine learning. Use Databricks for processing large datasets and running complex algorithms in a secure and scalable manner. Our next solution is data storage layer. Store sensitive customer data in Azure Synapse Analytics, formerly SQL Data Warehouse, for high performance analytics. Implement Azure Key Vault for secure storage of encryption keys and other secrets. Our next solution is caching layer. Integrate Azure Cache for Redis to cache intermediate results and optimize the performance of real-time risk analysis and fraud detection algorithms. Next solution is authentication and authorization. Implement Azure Active Directory AAD for secure identity management. Enforce role-based access control RBAC to ensure that only authorized personnel can access and modify sensitive data. Our next solution is monitoring and logging. Utilize Azure Monitor and Azure Security Center for continuous monitoring and logging. Leverage Azure Policy to enforce compliance with regulatory requirements. Our next solution is security and compliance. Employ Azure Key Vault for secure storage of encryption keys and secrets. Configure Azure Security Center for advanced threat protection and compliance monitoring. Implement Azure Policy to enforce regulatory compliance. Next solution: cost optimization. Utilize Azure Cost Management and Billing to monitor, analyze, and optimize costs. Leverage serverless components in Azure Databricks to optimize processing costs based on demand. Our last solution is backup and disaster recovery. Implement Azure Backup for regular backups of critical data. Configure geo-redundancy for Azure Synapse Analytics to ensure that resilience and disaster recovery capabilities. Now moving towards the reasoning section. Our first reasoning is scalability. Azure App Service, AKS, Databricks, and Synapse Analytics enable scalability in web services, microservices, and data processing layers. Next reasoning is availability. Azure Front Door, AKS with multiple nodes, Databricks, and Synapse Analytics contribute to high availability. Next reasoning is security. Azure AD, Key Vault, Security Center, and Policy enforce strong security measures and compliance. Our next reasoning is cost optimization. Azure Cost Management, serverless components, and right sizing contribute to cost effective solutions. Our last reasoning is disaster recovery. Azure Backup, Geo Redundancy for Synapse Analytics, and Site Recovery ensure data resilience and disaster recovery capabilities. This architecture addresses the specific requirements of a highly secure and compliant data processing platform for a financial institution, considering security, compliance, and high performance processing across different application architecture layers. If you are preparing for any Azure-based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description. Also, you can download the complete list of scenario-based questions from the link provided in the description. For more videos, stay tuned with us.